Halloween is right around the corner, and it's time to get spooky. Whether you're decorating your home or preparing for the ultimate Halloween party, here are some fun and creative prints that you can easily make at home. This design is simple to print and comes in 2 sections. Stacking multiple lights within the structure brings this spooky tree to life, making it truly stand out. The forbidden fruit is an impressive free model on MakerWorld, ideal for adding a spooky touch to your Halloween decor. Skulls are a Halloween classic, but the melted skull brings a fresh, eerie twist. Its warped design adds an extra dose of creepiness, perfect for enhancing your spooky decor. This decorative Halloween pumpkin is ideal for anyone looking for a festive touch without the spooky vibes. You can't have Halloween without candy. With this candy dispenser, you'll be the hit of the night, adding fun and convenience to your celebrations. AI is getting smarter every day, unlocking potential in each of us to become creative engineers. But even the greatest ideas need the right tools and support to come to life. That's where PCBWay steps in, your partner in innovation. Whether it's a single PCB prototype or mass production, they deliver top-quality circuit boards for any project. Their CNC machining and 3D printing services transform your designs into reality fast. PCBWay is your ultimate partner in innovation. This articulated skeleton has a fun, cartoonish vibe, and you can easily swap out the top part of the head for customization. Out of all the prints, this was my daughter's absolute favorite, and now she wants one too, so I'd better get printing. Gambody.com is a leading commercial 3D print website, and right now you can download this Jack Skellington pumpkin for free. Although 2 of the teeth failed during printing, it still turned out looking great. These Hueforge prints by Tech Extranet are almost flat, yet they look amazingly realistic, just like professionally carved pumpkins. If you've been following my channel, you know I'm a huge fan of mechs and robots. These pumpkin mini mechs are just perfect. Dressing up as a cyberpunk for Halloween is all about blending futuristic style with edgy, high-tech vibes. Here's a fun 3D print I customized from an existing model to replicate the iconic Mantis blades from Cyberpunk 2077. Just a heads up, be careful. They look almost too real and can seriously elevate your cyberpunk look. Want to play a game? This bear trap is no joke. Challenge your friends to stick their hand in. If they scream, they lose. It's a thrilling way to test your nerves this Halloween. Thanks for sticking around till the end of this video. All the links to the featured YouTubers and models are down in the video description.
Smash. Reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash 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 reply.